Alright, I got a 2007 to 2012 Lexus ES350. I'm gonna be installing one of these Android Apple CarPlay. This is a 10.1 inch screen, I believe. So we're gonna install that, and this is the wiring that came with it, and that's a microphone. This is not it. Don't look at this. It looks crazy out here because I got busy today and no helper today, so I did ran the backup cameras and everything. I made a hole right here. I gotta seal it back, and then I plug it in. I use the orange wire, hook it up to the black and yellow, and then white and black is ground. Run it all the way to the front. Now I'm gonna remove the dash. So basically you just twist this right here if you want to take it all the way out. Turn it left, and then you pull it back a little bit right here, and then you probably have to turn on the key and put it back on neutral and then shut it off. So here's, I'm going to show you. Step on the brake, start the car, put it on neutral, shut it off, and then pull it back out like right so. Now you gotta be careful with this thing. This thing it break easy. Basically, I don't even know if I should take this out, but there's a 10mm right there on each side. Right, where is it? Where? Oh, I didn't even pull it out yet. Let me grab. So out here, I'm just pulling it out like so. You see this is clip right there. Just try not to break it. And here's one of them. So remove that. Not strong enough. So I need to get a socket and remove that, and then use the drill. When I say remove, meaning I just loosen it up a little bit so you can use the drill like so. Try not to lose that. Up right there, and then I'm going to the other side and do the same thing. Put your finger underneath there and pull it. This way, I'm trying to pry it out right here first. So basically that's what it looked like. So I pry it out like this and then pull towards you, and then you got that 10mm right there. Remove that. Got it out. So I'm gonna go to the driver's side. Now go on the top where the vent is at. Since you're not needing this no more, you don't have to worry about this, but you still have to be careful. Try to pry like this, a little bit like this. Make sure you're not breaking the glass right here. Keep going, and then it's gonna pull out a little bit, and then take this tool right there. You can get one that came with it. It's a orange one. It's basically a door removal tool. It's a plastic one. Push down here and pull it out. It should come out like so, because all these two clip right there. Just be careful, they're really fragile. Now you want to remove this 10mm right here and 10mm right there. And now in order to remove that, you're gonna have to shake it a little bit right there, and shake and pull. Not to pull it too much. If you pull it more than 2 inches, you can break something if it doesn't come, because something, there might be screw catching it on or something like that. So now you tilt like so, and then you go right here to the wire. You push. It's gonna be hard. I don't know how you can see it, but push right like that and pull, and do the rest of them. See right there, just push and pull. Push, squeeze, or push. I say push. Other one. Pull this antenna adapter right here. See, I got this metal down here. I didn't want to push it all the way and damage it. There's a couple of options for this GPS camera. Actually, this is 4G, so it's not GPS. You can stick it around here. I mean, it works for us so many years, so I don't have a problem. I don't have to put it all the way out there on each corner or anything like that. So I'm gonna just stick it right here. And one more right here. I mean, it's not gonna go anywhere. Now I come back to the radio. There should be 6 screws right here. should be left and right. As you can see, I look at like this. So you cannot go wrong with this. If you put it wrong, it won't work. You see this? One is upside down. See that? So I'm going to put the screw in here. So put the screw in first and then do the rest. You're going to need like a number 3 Phillips. The smaller one. Really tiny one. Then once you get that, just tighten it. Don't over tighten it. Notice this OBDI right here. I'm gonna run it from plug the OBDI to this one. I hope that it's not used. There's OBDI right there, so it's not used. So I'm gonna plug that and run it to the radio. Go like this first, so the wire won't just hanging. I don't know exactly what that is. I know it's some sort of power. I'm just gonna plug it in and worry about it later. That way when I done, I can see if I need to use it or I don't have to use it. Alright, now this whole kit right here is gonna be used. Oh, that's right there, OBD right there. This is gonna plug to it. I'm not sure what it really does, but I'm just plug whatever it plugs at. GPS. Start with GPS first. Tighten that. This thing got a lot of stuff. You can put see this wire right here, that will go to your 4G, so you can put a network chip in here where you don't have to connect to your phone. That will work that way. Now I got the USB, the blue and the red. One of them is blue, that is for that's got a 6 wire, and then the red one is got 4 wires. So those things are for charger and for the Android Apple CarPlay. I'm gonna run it to that side. The connection is easy because you got so much space right here, but I just leave it right here for the customer so they can plug it out here. Usually I put it in the secret lighter, but I'm not secret lighter, the glove compartment. I'm gonna plug this main plug right there where you can add all that stuff. I'm gonna still put this wire out there so they can connect it later on. Here's connection. Just make sure nothing underneath the screen. That is hard surface. I would put a cloth like mine and do it. That way you don't have to worry about damaging the screen. Put all the scratch back in here. Book, the manual, it ain't gonna help me much. Now I'm gonna use the plug right here. This is for the backup camera. It's like here. Plug it in. And then these, whoa, this is P4, P8. I don't know what they all are, but I'm gonna plug it into the one. It should have a 6-pin. Oh, that's what it meant. 6-pin, 4-pin, and 8-pin. I'm gonna plug right here. No, that ain't it. That ain't it. So this must be the 8 one. 2, 4, 6, 8. Look pretty loose. That ain't it. That can't be. It's got to be one of them. Oh, right here, right here. It's 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. You can feel it. When you plug it in, it doesn't look like it's about to fit. See? This one fit perfectly. And then you just plug everything the rest. You don't need these pieces right there. I'm not going to cut it out because this, some radios got it, some radio don't have it. This 4, 6, 8 thing right there, I'm going to just tape it to one side. Now I like to put a piece of cloth to cover, to protect this from damage to the screen. So this is a Bluetooth. This is a antenna adapter. These are from the OBDI. I'm just gonna plug the main power cord through the radio, plug in the antenna adapter. That pink wire right there, that's for an amplifier. I now connect the main plug to it from the radio. And plug the smaller piece to it and let it click. That probably control the steering wheel. And then the rest of them, it's not gonna match because it's not the right one. Because you don't need all of these right there. Because some of them are for backup camera. If you have one, this one I have to run it separately. I'm gonna plug the USB, the 6-pin and the 4-pin to that C4 and 2 next to it to the right. So now I know what they're talking about. They got 4P, 8P and 6P. All this pin right there need to be plugged. Like 4P right there, it's gonna plug to 4P. That's for controlling all the other accessory, like turn on the volume and all that good stuff. I got 4 in, now I got 8. I need to plug in. Guys, this video is not that professional because I'm not a professional photographer. I don't have time to edit and re-edit the video, so my video is basically live. I only paused the video because I had to breathe, you know what I mean? So I'm doing the 6P right now. I was wondering what that's for. So now I got that going. And then now I'm gonna put the 4G, the antenna, those antenna that I had right there in. So this is the last one I'll be plugging. Oh, not yet. I need to plug in the backup camera to the one wire right here. And then I need to have it power. Actually, I ran the power over there already in the back because I mentioned about the black and yellow. I'm just gonna tape this orange wire right here because this CAN bus gonna give me that power when I put on reverse. Now for the bottom wire that control other feature, I couldn't remember what it is. You plug it to here. It just plug. That's for your emergency light. I see it. So where's emergency light? Right there. You see that? That's control it all right there. So I'm gonna just plug it all in. The last thing you would want to do is this OBDI. So OBDI came from over there and plug it into this red and black. This is what it looks like. So when you click on this, you got all, you can turn your AC by pressing off. What I don't understand is this right here is not working. It's not connecting for some reason. So I probably have to ask more about that. So back. Oh man. CAN bus perimeters. Protocol swap. Where that was at? CAN bus perimeter. Nope. CAN bus setting. I need to update. It's connected, please. Oh, every time it's trying to connect to that. Yeah, you're gonna have to update that for it to work. So I'm gonna go back.